would be a good idea to shut this bottom hopper. We'll test this, make sure that it's at the correct moisture percentage we want. We're going for like 12 to 13. (12.3). It's looking good. Don't slip. So the wind was actually blowing super hard last night. Got like no sleep because it was so noisy. So hard, in fact. My grandparents' extra mobile home that they kind of use for family when they come to visit, we could stay in. The roof right there, it's kind of blown off. And the weather says there's like rain and snow and freezing rain. You could actually see it coming from over there. We need to get that roof screwed down. We're gonna need to grab the impact and I really gotta move this thing. It's in the way, but I got some grain in there, so impact and probably 1/4 inch bit. Yeah, I know. Okay, now we need to grab a ladder somewhere. Safety first. She'll ride. Oh boy, that looks pretty bad, huh? I don't even, hopefully this stuff bends easy enough where I can lay it flat. Okay, so that looks, yeah, so if we get rain in there, it's probably not good at all. So okay, that was a whole lot easier than I thought. This thing definitely needs work, but at least we can get screws in it today. Alright, so I'm just on my way home from Home Depot. Dad told me to go there, see if I could find some sort of like adhesive or tar, something that you can put on in the rain I found this Henry's wet patch, like roof leak repair, and it says stops leaks instantly even in standing water. Okay, that's perfect because it's dumping rain out right now. 36 degrees. Should be fun. So we'll put this on some of the old screw holes and some of the other seams that are kind of not really sealed that well. We'll just put a whole bunch of this on. That should seal the roof up till we can put a new roof on it next spring or sometime. I have no idea when. Really needs a new roof though. Just gonna load this up right now in the truck out of the rain. I'll pick those plastic pieces up later. Oakley, you're probably gonna stay in here. Literally nothing new. Okay. A little bit wetter than the first time I was up here. Okay, that's not good. All right. Okay, don't ask me if that's the right way to do it, because I don't really know what I'm doing here. Alright, well, believe it or not, I've had funner jobs. It's literally freezing cold. I don't know how it's not snow. Like I said, that's not like the, where am I going? End all solution. Just get it leak proof for the winter at least. Alright, well, it's probably gonna be it for me today, unless that semi shows up. Dude, I am literally sliding all over. Is he here? No, no one's there.